I'm a firm believer in how the direct correlation between customer experience and employee experience, and how digital tools can help companies to generate wow employee experience for our companies. In order to do that, we also have had to improve our people engagement, our people satisfaction. So we saw how our customer service was working with Zendesk and how efficient they were using Zendesk. So we decided to bring that magic to our internal employee operations.
Zendesk is obviously really easy to use, and it's also really flexible. So it's really easy to deploy across any number of support needs, whether internal or external. And it's also really fast to deploy and just quick to get up and running.
Just a couple of months ago, we opened our chatbot. We are so proud about that. And we are continually improving it, and we hope to have it working at 80% of our content and accuracy by the end of this year.